Alright, dude, let's figure out why you're slipping out on these frontside 360s here. In, toe edge, heel edge position, wind up, good pop, good head position, coming around, been looking, So it makes sense looking at this why you're slipping out. It's not a mystery. It's going to be just figuring out how to go and make it so your brain feels comfortable going holding that toe edge. So basically what's happening here is you're coming, spotting the knuckle, and then as soon as you make contact, you're letting your head rotate through. I think the reason for this mostly is just how vertical you are upright. So see how you're under rotating slightly? This is actually what you want to be doing, and this is a really good frontside landing position, but you're a little too vertical. We need to have you a little bit more forward so that way you have more weight on the balls of your feet. So that way when you get the impact, it goes and pushes you into that toe edge. Where right now, because you're a little more vertical upright, that impact is washing you a little bit to your heels. This is something that I had troubles with yesterday on a frontside 1080, so very on topic. Let's go and just look at what we can do to control this a bit more. Heel edge, wind up, really good wind up position, really good snap, really good timing. That's all really fantastic. Good pop up, good over. Just a little bit slow. So, okay, yeah, so the issue we're having is right here, how vertical you are at this point. We really want your upper body more over top of your chest at this point. Looking at my video here as reference. So see here how as I'm at 180 degrees, my upper body's pulled all the way over the balls of my feet. This is because I want to land with my weight over the balls of my feet. So even though I'm landing looking forward here, look at how my weight's all completely set towards that toe edge. So then when I go and hit the impact, you can see same amount of under rotation as you, but my upper body's angled all the way over. My chest is over my knees. So when I get that impact, it goes and pushes me down. And you can see even that wants to wash me to my heels a little bit. So that's why we need to really exaggerate this position. So really the only change you need to make in your form is keep a little bit more hinge in your upper body off of the lip of the takeoff. So maybe do a little bit less extension. Yeah, just try to keep that upper body a little bit more hinged over. Then your legs will come up. They'll stay a little bit more grounded. Your weight will stay a little bit more over the balls of your feet. And then that will make it so when you hit the landing, you'll land with a bit more weight on your toe edge, and that should let you ride away. Also, going another like 2 or 3 feet bigger here would have really helped make the spot feel a lot easier.